Hi, I did a software course in Qspiders, Mysore, and now I got placed in SLK software. In Qspider, it was a very great learning experience. Being a non-IT, Qspiders enabled me to learn the skills and concepts from basics to advanced level. Uh, we had a very good crew. Faculties were so supportive. Not only they provided the knowledge, but also they guided me to reach to my destination and a new beginning of my career. Um, uh, in Qspiders, mocks and presentation helped me a lot, um, where I could clear my doubts and rectify them, and also learn new concept every day. Thank you.